Hello and welcome to the Great Central Railway's Autumn Diesel Gala, and you join me just down the way ever so slightly from Quorn Woodhouse station. It's probably my favourite station on the entire route, hence the reason I spend the majority of my time filming here. Seems to be there's going to be a decent amount on show today. I would have actually gone beyond the signal box, but because the test car isn't available, or isn't open, which is that there, you can't actually get any further down, because I would stand just around that sort of neck of the woods, just beyond the signal box, but because you can't get down there, I've gone for here as the next best thing. So we shall see what's going to be coming and a-going. Okay, our first train of the day is going to be the 10:29 service from Loughborough to Rothley, or Rothley, worked by the Class 14, one of the visiting locos here. Now, if I'm not very much mistaken, this might be top and tailing with something. According to the timetable, it is anyway. But we shall see. A very gentle approach into Quorn Woodhouse. Okay, coming in now is going to be the 10:40 from Leicester North to Loughborough, worked by the Deltic. Slightly weathered, I have to say, Deltics look good weathered. 55019 Royal Highland Fusilier. Gorgeous rake of carriages. Okay, I believe. Yep. Okay, the Class 14's about ready to take away the very late running 10:29 to Rothley. Taking the DMU for a spin. On the rear is Royal Oak 50017. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 10:50 service from Loughborough to Leicester North, and this should be top and tailed by the two resident 37s. In fact, it's... oh, we're double-headed. And what's special about this 37 is this was the first ever Class 37 to be built. They do look and sound good, don't they? Gorgeous locos. Okay then. She's about ready to go. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1100 service from Rothley to Loughborough, worked by the 50. Once upon a time you could get to Rugby on this line, but those days are long gone. Okay, the next train to appear is going to be the 1109 service from Loughborough to Rothley, worked by one of the Class 27s. This is working a passenger / parcel train. Basically, it's the maroon rake that the Deltic had when we kicked things off. They're very slow and gentle approaches into Quorn Woodhouse. Well, on platform 1, anyway. The Sulzer Symphony. Oh, love it. Okay, she's about ready to go. 5370. Oh, okay. Not the rake I was expecting. That does sound good. But then again, those 37s earlier sounded absolutely astounding. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 11:23 service from Leicester North. It's top and tailing this service, with the lead being the Class 33. There's a gorgeous BR Blue Mark 1 in this consist, with D9551, the 14, bringing up the rear. And then we also have coming in the 11:25 service from Loughborough to Leicester North, worked by one of the visiting locos, the 35 High Mech from the West Somerset Railway. That's not a bad lineup, is it? The 7018 sounds very, very good. Sun glare causing a bit of issue there. Okay, then coming now is the 11:53 to Loughborough. When that sun comes out, it really does hit that BR green livery superb. It's crazy to think that that's the first 37. And then think how many subclasses there are. We got the 37-7 here. What is it, 37-714? Cardiff Canton. Bless you. But yeah, just 37s are just so versatile. They get everywhere, they do everything. You can't knock them. Okay, down in the distance is going to be our final train of the day. It's going to be the 1200 service from Loughborough to Leicester Northward by the Class 14. I was hoping to catch the other 27 that's running around today, but that's not going to come through until around about 1:30, and I want to go for a couple of journeys up and down the line and grab myself a spot of the old lunch while I'm at it. The Resident 45 isn't in operation today, which is also a shame, because they've really done a bang-up job with that loco. But I've seen a Deltic, I've seen the 37s, I've seen a 50, I've seen the 14 twice, seen a Hymec, and 33, and also the one of the visiting 27s. So, you know, ain't all that bad. So I very much look forward to her giving it the beans when she leaves. And I'll be catching the parcels train that comes in. That'll take me back down to Loughborough. And then I'll go from there. Okay, she's about ready to go. That is a very spirited departure. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it's greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed what you've seen today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Yeah, a couple of hours just to get the filming done. Seen 90% of what's running, so I'm quite content with that. I'm going to then hop onto the platform and pick myself up a train down to Loughborough, have something to eat, and then do a couple of journeys up and down the line. So, I have no idea what Heritage Railway is going to be next, but probably the Severn Valley, knowing how I operate. But until next time, from me here at Quorn Woodhouse on the Great Central Railway, I shall see you all later. Take care guys, goodbye.